Overstand. Check me out now. This going look at him. Look at him. Y'all gonna laugh. Don't laugh at me. What's up, y'all? What's up? What it is? Hey, today we working on legs, no equipment, of course. Truck stop style. I like that. I bought this little cheap headphone from Walgreens and it broke already. So I left my AirPods. I bought this and look, it's broke already. But hey, we gonna work with it though. Y'all wanna go ahead and join me, man. We're gonna use what we got around us to make it work. You feel me? Yo, what's going on, people? What's going on? It's your favorite trucker coach, Lando. I am the Lando. Look at me, man. But look, this is what we're gonna do. The goal for this right here is leg workout, but it's just to keep moving. You know what I mean? So that was just jump jacks right there. We're gonna do that 30 seconds, 3 times. That's it. Boom. We got right here a little squat, little jump, little squat, little jump. I'm qualified, but I'm not qualified. You overstand. But check me out now. This gonna look at him. Look at him. Y'all gonna laugh. Don't laugh at me. Ooh, get them knees right, Lando. Hey, I look focused too. Look at it. Oh no. Why'd you put this on here? Because I can. Okay, check him out now. Little lunges on him. Squat form. Lunge on him. Check me out. Squat form. That's it. Just working on them thighs right now. Lunge. And that knee got weak right there. Squat form. You driving all day, man. Them knees feel different when you driving all day. So right here, I use my lift gate. Just do some lunges again. That's all I've been doing. Well, these not lunges. I forgot what these called, but this is part of my routine. But this right here gonna get the butt right. Get the thighs right. Your butt gonna be sore. But you gotta just keep moving. That's the whole goal of being out here, man. Just keep moving. That's it. Go ahead. Show me the other leg, man. Show me how you do it. Man, I'm a professional, man. Look at me. Jump jack, squat. Jump jack, squat. Man, come on now. You don't get no better than that. Come on, go ahead and clap it up. No, not yet. We ain't done. Hey, let's do some calves. We getting the calves right. Remember, once again, you're doing everything for 30 seconds, 3 times. 30 seconds, 3 times. We ain't going off no straight number. We just doing 30 seconds, 3 times, man. That's it, man. Hey, man, let's just stay fit, man. It's your favorite coach, trucking coach, Orlando the Mando, man. I'm qualified, but I'm not qualified. Check me out now. What? Go. I don't even know what this called, boy. With them legs, look at them legs, boy. Look at those legs. Look at them go. Look at them. Oh my God. Yeah. I'm the man. I don't know what that's called either. I got it off YouTube, guys. That's it, man. We just try to work on the legs. It's leg day, man. But check this out, though. I'll tell y'all something about me and Usain Bolt. Y'all know Usain Bolt? I told him everything you know. You can tell by just the way I'm moving right now. You can tell me and Usain Bolt, we related. Look at it. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. 4 flat in a 40. Nope. 3.5. Good workout. Sorry about that, y'all. Sorry about that, man. I'm so tired. I don't even realize it's so loud where I'm at. But you know it's real. I'm at a truck stop. Even right now, I'm at a truck stop. So I'm sure you can hear some noise in the background. But look at him, man. He think he's so cool, man. Look at him. That's Lando the Mando, though. You ain't cool, dude. Oh, well, I take it back. He is kind of cool. Look at him. Yeah, he cool. But yeah, man, I hope y'all had a good workout, man. Thank y'all for watching. It's your boy Lando. Go ahead and subscribe, share, and comment, man. And one thing I want you to do again, subscribe, share, and comment. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram too, man, at Lando I Believe. Or you can follow my trucking Instagram is KDB _ trucking. Yeah. It's your boy Lando, man. I'll let y'all. Stay blessed.
Listen, babe, every time I see